Hello guys, welcome back with the second puzzle. In this additional of today's newspaper on Friday. Yes, last working day of the week. Friday, April the 21st, 2023. Already solved one puzzle, the Three Stars Sudoku. So three puzzles left: the binary, the tectonic, and this one you are interested, the Four Stars Sudoku number 6 3 1 3. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one less than the previous Sudoku, 24 printed digits. And it's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult, but you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve the puzzle. But for 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, 30 minutes or more. We'll see if this is really a 4 stars. Alright, so let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 3 twos. Correction. 2 3 3s, 3 4s, 1 5, 4 6s. Wow, 4 6s. 2 7s, 3 4 8. All right, and 3 9s. So the 6s and the 8s are in majority. Can I start with the 6? Yeah, 6 in this row. Third row, 6 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 6 in the third column, 6 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in the last row, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6 6. 6 6. Well, I cannot continue with the 6 now. Need to wait. How about the 8 then? Let me see the 8. 8 8. Well. Cannot continue with 8. But the 7 in this row, 7 in the last row, so the row between. The only place left for the 7 should be there. 1 3 5, 1 3 5. 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are: the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4 and the 5 is missing. 1 3 5, 1 3 5, 1 3 5, 1 3 5, and look, with 1 and 5 in this column. So no 1 and 5 in this box. 1 and 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 5, 1 and 5. So 1 that's left should be the 3. 3 3 3 3. 3 in this column, 3 in the third column. So the column between the second column, only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in the third row. No 3 there, 3 should be there. So need a 3 there. Need a 3 here. Okay. Cannot continue with the 3 now. Not true. 3 in this row, 3 in the row below. So last row, only 2 places left for 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. Alright. Still 1 and a 5 here. The 8. Yeah, okay. 4. 4. The 1 should be here. 3 should be there. Well. should be here. 9 should be here. The 9 in this row, the 9 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in the middle column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. The 9 in this column, the 9 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 3 missing numbers now in the first row. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We have a 1 in this big square, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in the first row. Those numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and a 7, 3 and a 7. We have a 7 in the last column. No 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Alright, now we have a 3 in this column, 3 in the last column, 3 in that column, so the column between. Only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in this row, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in that row, so the row between in the middle row, the only 3 places left for the 3 should be here, here or there. We see a 3 in this column, no 3 there. Here, 3 in that column, no 3 there, so the only place left for the 3 should be there. 3, okay. Problems with the pencil, okay, and all the 3s are used. I can't see. Digit number 1, number 3, okay. 2, 2, 2, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers 2. We have a 2 in this row, so no 2 in this box. Here, 2 in the second column, no 2 in those 2 boxes. So the 2 in this big square could be here, could be there. So we have 2 in one of those 2 boxes in the third column, 2 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 in the last row, 2 in the row above, so that row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2, 2, okay. 2, 2. Alright. 8, 8. 1, 5. And 9. Need a 9 here. Well. 1, 5. 1, 5, 7. 7. Okay. Let me 2, 8, 2, 8, 9. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 2, 8, 9. 2, 8, 9, 2, 8, 9, 2, 8, 9. And look, we have a 2 and a 9 in this column, so no 2 and 9 in this box. 2 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 9, 2 and 9. So 1 digit left should be the 8. 8, 8. Okay. We have an 8 overlooked. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So the column next, only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in the middle row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Well, I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with 8. Well, I've not marked those, but I know the step before. Here should be an 8, because we have an 8 in this row, no 8 there. Now we have an 8 in this row, so no 8 there. So the only place left for the 8 should be there. 8 in the first row, 8 in the third row. So the row between, only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in the first column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in the third column, 8 in the first column, so the column between second column, only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in the last row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can't see. Digit number 2, number 8. How about the 6 now? 6, 6. 3 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing numbers is 6. Well, here can be 6 because we have 6 in this row, no 6 there. So the 6 in this column could be here, could be there, here or there. We see another 6 in the last row. No 6 there. The only place left for the 6 should be there. 6, 6. 6 in this column. 6 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 6 in this row. 6 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in this column. No 6 there. 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 6. Alright. 2 missing numbers now in this row. I believe the 1 and the 5. Well, the 1 is missing. The 2, 3, the 4. Yeah, 5 is missing. 1 and 5, 1 and 5. We have a 1 now in this column. No 1 there. 1 should be here and a 5 goes there. Well. 1 and 1. 5 and 7. Okay. And now. The 1 in this column, the 1 in the last column, so the column between. The only place left for the 1 should be there. So 1 box left in this column for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. Here also a 5, here also the 5, so we need a 5 there, yeah. Well, 4 and 9, 4 and 9. We have a 5 in this column. We have a 5 in the column next, so last column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. Same situation in this column. We need a 5 in this column. 4 missing numbers. These 2 boxes can be 5 because we have 5 in this big square, so no 5 there. So the 5 could be here, could be there. That means in this row, we need a 5. Here can be a 5. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. Here can be a 5 because we have a 5 in one of those 2 boxes in this big square. So no 5 there. So the only place left for the 5 in this row should be there. Alright. 2 numbers left now in the first column. 4 numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. We have a 1 in the first row. Second row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 7 in this row. First row. 7 in the second row. So the third row, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in this column. No 7 there. 7 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this column for the most. The 1. The 2 is missing. The 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4. 2 and the 4. We have a 4 in the second row. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 2 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for the ma. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. Then 2 missing numbers in this big square for the most. 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 2 and the 9, 2 and the 9. We have a 2 in the second row. No 2 there. 2 should be here and the 9 goes there. 9 in the last column, 9 in the column next. So that column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for the ma. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. Then 4 and the 7. Yeah, 4 and 7. 4 and the 2 missing numbers in this row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and a 7, 4 and a 7, 4 and a 7. We have a 7 in the middle column. No 7 there. 7 should be here. The 4 goes there. 1 box left in this column for the ma. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row, so the row above, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and 4, 1 and 4. We have a 4 in this row. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 1 goes there. And all the 4s are used. I can see. This is 4 and 4. One box left in this row for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 5 and a 9, 5 and a 9. We have a 5 in the third column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 9. It goes there. Right. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 9 in the third column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 box left in this column, third column for number 1. The 2 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1. The 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We have a 2 in the middle row. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 5 goes there. 1 box left in the middle column for number 1. Yeah, the 1. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. We have a 1 in the third. In this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 7 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and the 7, 5 and the 7. We have a 7 in this row. No 7 there. 7 should be here. And a 5 goes there without notation. Finished in 60 minutes. Wow. Without notation again. So I'm pleased with the time. Is this really 4 stars? No. 3 stars then. No, let me give this a 2 stars. I'm faster than in previous Sudoku. Yeah, here we have in previous Sudoku we have a hidden number. Yeah, but we solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, in a flow you can solve this. If you like this, thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.